Well, good Saturday, everyone. I am making a Saturday video because I need to apologize, and I want to kind of explain something to you real quick. I made a huge blunder this morning. Today is the 29th, December 29th. Last night we did our Friday live deal with me and Dad and Vic, and you know what? I deleted them this morning. I hit the wrong button and they're gone. So if you guys go to look for the Friday fun with the Rotens, you won't find them. And I don't have any way that I can recover them. So what I want to do here, it was just a boneheaded move on my play. I hit a button I wasn't supposed to hit, and it's gone. I could go into a lot of explanation, but bottom line is they are gone. We actually did two different ones. The first one froze at 8 minutes and something, and so then we did another one. And they actually turned out really good. I'm really heartbroken that we lost them, but there's nothing I can do about that except apologize, get this video done, posted today, so that you guys will kind of have some kind of context of what this is all about, and hit the highlights of what we did last night. First thing first is the template of the month is a flying pig. So what I would have thought is could Eric actually ever delete videos off of his YouTube channel by accident? Yeah, well, pigs evidently do fly. Anyway, that's what it looks like when it's all carved. Really fun to carve. It's a cool little logo. So anyway, this is the template of the month for the premium members, and it will be on the website for you non-premium members. You can order this. It'll probably be on there by the end of the weekend. Vicky will take care of that. Anyway, it's about 3.5 inches tall by about 4.5 long. Yeah, about 4.5 long. Anyway, so that's that. Oh, by the way, in case you guys wonder why I'm bundled up and why that sound in the background is the heater going out here in the studio, this was a screenshot that I took this morning. It's 29 stinking degrees in Arizona. That's just not supposed to be. Anyway, we do get cold out here. I know for you guys back east and you guys in Norway and all of that, that is not cold. For me, that's really cold. Anyway, we do get down in the 20s once in a while. So that's why the heater is going right now, because I haven't had it going for 6 hours out here like I should have. Anyway, so channel search. So for those of you that don't know, if you go to our channel, Old Dave 100, that's OLDAV 100, 100, and you want to search any particular subject, or if you have a number of a video that you're looking for, there's a search box that comes up when you click on that. Now this isn't the search that would be up here in the browser in YouTube search. This is the channel search. So if you click on that and you type in, say, scalloping, or type in backgrounds, or type in artwork, or whatever, excuse me, whatever term you put in there, it'll search just our channel. So I get a lot of questions on, different subjects, what I'm looking for videos on this, and you guys can absolutely email me and I'll find them, but that's how I find them. If you guys want to find them yourself, that's how I find them. If you want to email me, great, I'll find them and let you know what they are. So that's it. The other thing is there's a word here called playlists. So if you're not familiar with that, that is a series of different playlists that we have all on the same subject. For instance, there's one on finishing, there's one on cutting out shapes, there's one on getting started. If you're just getting started in this, watch these videos first. There's all different kinds of playlists. So that's probably where you want to check first. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, then use the channel search and or email me and tell me what you're looking for, and I'll let you know where to go and how to find those videos. Third and last thing that we covered last night is when you guys send your router bits in to me, whether you're premium members or whether you just want me to sharpen the router bits that we sell that you guys have bought from us, be sure and put them in the tubes. I've gotten several lately where you guys just put the router bits in a box and then send them to me, and what happens is they bang into each other, and we'll lose the tips, especially on ones like the profile bit or the SC50. So if you have the tubes, that's the best way to do it. If you don't have the tubes, then at least put the little red cap on there. That little red cap that goes on there, put that on there, if not the tubes. Worst case scenario, if you don't have either of those, throw some masking tape around there, around the end. You don't have to put them down here on the shaft, but at least around the end. You got to protect those things so they don't get broken in shipment, because if they bang into each other, they absolutely will. That is it. Sorry for being so kind of cold, and I want to get this done. I want to get it posted and apologize. I won't hopefully ever make that mistake again. I wish there was some way I could recover those videos, because Dad was in rare form and we just had a great time. We'll be doing it again next Friday, and hopefully I won't delete them like I did this time. But anyway, that's basically the highlights of what we covered last night. Those of you that joined us live, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. We love you all. Any questions, email me, eric@makerwoodsign.com. I'm on Instagram every day at makerwoodsign. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please, please, please. It would mean the world to me. And be sure to click that little bell icon so you get notified when we post new videos. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, other than last night, because I deleted them. Anyway, thanks, guys. I hope you guys have a great, happy, safe New Year's weekend, and we love you all, and we'll see you on Monday. Bye.